Hello, it's Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a clothing try-on haul for the back to school season. While I went back to school shopping for clothing this year, I kind of tried to keep in mind a couple things, which was trying to add some more colorful pieces to my wardrobe and also looking for some sweaters and pieces to wear for winter coming up. So grab your shopping bags and let's get started. The first store that I'm going to be showing you my pieces from is Marshall's. And there I picked up a couple of really great things for a very low price. The first of which is this shirt that I'm wearing right now. You'll see it better in the try-on portion of this haul, but I think it's really cute. It kind of gives me cottagecore vibes with the puffy sleeves, and I really like the muted green color. It's very different than lots of other things in my wardrobe, but I just really like this piece. A great life hack, especially if you're shopping in more thrifting like stores like Marshall's, is always to check the men's or little boys section where you can find really cute clothes for very cheap. One of my great finds was this t-shirt from the little boys section. It's pink Calvin Klein, and I really liked the pop of color, and this was only like $5. There I also found this really cute white Adidas shirt that is also from the little boys section. I just said that. This is just a really great simple piece that I know I will wear loads. Very similarly, I have this Calvin Klein shirt that has a little pocket on it. I just think that pocket is so cute, and another simple piece that I know I'll wear a bunch. Next up, we were actually shopping for pajamas in Walmart, and I happened to find this really cute tie-dye t-shirt. It's blue, it's NASA, it says, "Keep your eyes on the stars," and I really like the star design coming down, and it's got these really cute slits on the side. This is just from the girls section, and I thought it was just so trendy, and I really liked the color. Moving on, we went to Old Navy. I got this really cute ring. I really love how it has the crisscrosses. It's kind of simple and not too bulky or anything, but it's just such a pretty ring. There I also got, surprise, another t-shirt. This one is colorful. It's striped. I really love striped shirts, and I don't have any colorful t-shirts that are striped, so I picked this one up. It's got this like ribbed fabric, which is so trendy and cute, and this one I really like. It's just so me. We also went to the store Once Upon a Child, which is kind of, I think it's called like a consignment shop where you can sell things to them and they'll resell them. So just slightly used clothing, and so I was able to find for really cheap $2 this shirt that is actually an Old Navy brand athletic tank top. It's black, it says "Believe in Yourself," and I know I'm going to wear this loads to dance, so this was a really great deal, ready for dance practices this coming season. In some of these stores we weren't able to actually try things on because of COVID. We were practicing proper mask wearing and sanitation, so don't worry about that. But I picked up this romper from Once Upon a Child. I wasn't able to try it on, so it's a little bit small, but I'm still going to wear it a little bit, and then I might end up getting to sell it back to them next season. But I think it's super cute, and I just love the vertical stripes as something a little bit different and bold pattern. We also went to Platos Closet, which is very similar to Once Upon a Child, but in adult sizing. So there I picked up some clothes that are more geared towards the winter season. I got this really cute cropped Ivy Park blue hoodie. I really like the detailing of the black hoodie strings that are just kind of small, and I feel like this will look really cute with some black leggings in the winter time. There I also got this sweater that is striped. I was looking for lots of sweaters for winter time, and I really love the lace detail on the bottom, and I just think this is going to be a basic piece that can be casual or look kind of dressy for the winter time. Lastly, I'm going to show you what I got at H&M, which is just one piece for winter. It's this really bright pink sweater. It is really soft. It's a lot softer than like all the other sweaters I've seen that day, and it was a really great deal. It was marked down to only $4, and we got a discount code for this as well. So I'm super excited to be cozy this winter with all of those things that I got. Oh, the phone's ringing! So that is all the clothes that I bought for the new school year. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it some love by hitting the thumbs up button. And comment down below, let me know when you go back to school and if you are doing hybrid distance learning or in person. I go back hybrid on September 14th, and I am very excited to actually go and like see people a little bit, and that will be a new experience for everyone, so it does make me a little anxious, but overall I am excited to go back. Also, if you want to see more of my videos, make sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss when I post my next video. I'll see you then. Mahalo!